Traders looking at gold at the moment. So here's the weekly open. We can see this has been a bearish week. Gold weekly open, it's here somewhere, there it is. We just marked it up and then we'll go down the lower time frames. Now notice it's trading into, see this level through here? Okay, key level of support. And we've had a little bit of a reaction off this level. We'll just mark that up as a weekly. Go down the time frames now, daily. So that support level runs, yeah, I've just picked up the high of this candle body through here, this point of control, I guess, through this range through here. On the daily time frame, what have we got? We've got these lows here. So we just marked it up as a point of interest. It's wicked down into this level daily. As you can see, rejected. We've had a bit of a pullback, and where to from here? So I'm just going to mark up a couple of things here. We've got this bearish week. However, look what it's trading into, and I think there's a chance that this retraces, and I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved, but where is the question? So I'll mark up these levels. We've got this through here, we're at this balance area in here where this originated, and it coincides with the weekly open. So I'm just going to mark that as our daily. See, yeah, we've got this daily here that we're trading into now, this red candle balance area through here. Thing with this is, we've got on the 4H, this key level here. I'd be looking to short this, but I don't want to get involved at the current level. So let's just mark that as a 4-hour point of interest, and 4H. Grab a Fibonacci, trend base, Fib retrace, here we go. So high to low. This is in a downtrend, 4-hour time frame, the 61.8 to 786 Fib zone, the yellow zone, that's my entry point. I'd be looking for an entry. I would set up a limit sell, something like that. That is my trade idea for gold today. Now, can this blow through and look for liquidity further above? Absolutely it can. There's always a risk involved. I do like to trade off these 4-hour time frames. Most of the trades will work out. I lose the odd one or two here and there, and that's insignificant. So I don't mind this. T1 will be 1-to-1 risk reward. By the way, guys, click the link below and jump on board our Telegram group. So there's my risk reward tool. T1 is going to be, right here. So I would look to take 2/3 of my position off T1. Okay. If you have a look at this on the 4-hour, there's just a couple of things that we could note here. See this candle here, all right? We do have, if we look at the candle on the left, we'll grab the low, and the candle on the right, the high. We've got this 4-hour imbalance right here. Now the market is looking for two things. It's looking to rebalance, and it's looking for liquidity. So I'm always looking at a chart from that standpoint. So where is there an imbalance and where is there liquidity? Well, we've got traders shorting this, retail traders jumping in galore, probably a whole bunch more around here. And you'll find that there would be a significant buildup of liquidity right through here, right through this imbalance range. So we'll just call that a liquidity pool. So that is ripe for the picking, this level through here. Okay, so I'm looking for a possible retrace. Now, if this rolls over here and takes off without me, I'm good to let it go. Otherwise, that's my setup. Okay, guys, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.